residential sector, energy storage and solar is booming. People are aware of solar more now. Solar's mainstream and it should be available for everybody all the time.
Renewable energy, especially solar and battery storage, is a big thing in the market right now, that's for sure. At the moment, we're currently doing 10 to 20 installs a week, so we're looking to possibly implement EcoFlow into that if it aligns with my values within the company.
It's buzzing, there's a lot of energy, there's a lot of momentum in the industry at the moment, and I think we're all riding the crest of a wave and we want to capitalise on that.
The Ocean 2's got an inbuilt gateway. Home backup's been a big talking point over the last year. There's always an additional part, so an additional cost and a bit more extra work. I think with the new range from EcoFlow, having it built in is going to save them a lot of time and stress.
The aesthetics of it just looks great on the outside of a property rather than a separate inverter and battery system with a load of interconnected cables. And the usability for a customer side of it has always been fantastic. And the backup from these guys, if there are any technical questions, is probably the best I've seen in the industry.
Absolutely brilliant, looks like a superb product, looks very user friendly, looks brilliant for the end user as well as the installer. It should definitely speed up our installations and make our job easier.
These products were developed and designed by myself, Ben, Head of Service, Gary and our service engineer team, our hotline team and an input. So it's been designed by UK staff for the UK market. We're focused on the installer and the installer installing easier.
It looks very impressive, the figures, the data sheets. We're looking forward to providing our customers with a top-tier product.
It's all about having kit that's going to last a long time, that we trust and we can get support with, but also the customers too.
Size, flexibility, expandability, safety features. So I think everything is looking pretty good.
Three-phase home backup, it's just a smart system, one that we're going to be using going forward.
We have WhatsApp groups for all of our install companies, sales teams and tech teams. Then on top of that, we've got a hotline. We've got a maximum of 2-minute wait time on it. That's going to UK-based staff.
Over 400 EcoFlow installs, and it's the only thing we install. The only reason we will install another product is if a customer is adamant that they want another product, but we stand by EcoFlow.
Easy to talk to, customer support is great, technical support, they've always got an answer to everything and they're always on hand to assist if we ever do get stuck.
It was a great opportunity for Powerland to step in front of new customers and to show off the new Power Ocean 2 Plus and the Power Ocean 2. It's a fantastic new product.
There was a lot of questions, there's a lot of excitement over the new product, the Ocean 2 Plus. It's been really good to network with people, talk about their business, how we can support them and also how they can support us.